I'm Norman Destiny Ajorochen, the founder of Destiny Foundation Uganda, a writer and a radio presenter. Coronavirus is one of the deadliest species of virus. That's why the World Health Organization declared it a pandemic. Reason being, it can spread from one country to another. You can prevent coronavirus in quite a number of ways. Soap and water is one of the core bases for preventing coronavirus. You need to avoid touching the soft parts on your face. I mean the eyes, the nose, and then the mouth. Wash your hands regularly with soap and water. Avoid keeping a close contact. And if you sense you're having cough, flu, you're sneezing, do not go in public. That is why, as a writer, I have written a poem that is aimed at educating the mass and letting the world know more about coronavirus. The title of the poem is The Antisocial Insect. How can the world explain the horrifying scenes of the rotting bodies offloaded in mass graves since their normal land to house them for their final destination? The deadliest species. Donald Trump baptizing the Wuhans while the doctors and the nurses tries to fully establish the medication. They say coughing in public, sneezing and social indiscipline are the agents of transmission, yet many have failed to acknowledge it. Sweeping all generation of mankind, many have fallen prey. No country can run to another to get help. The world has been direly hit by the new species of the organism. People dying in thousands, yet the prices of coffee drops in the American and Italian corridors. The streets still stand in stinking perfume of the rotting bodies of the gallant citizens, leaving everyone in panic for wanting to chop them. Indeed, the world has turned a drastic reflection of the Jewish perception on Sabbath. Every day has become a Sabbath in the current social setting. The most frightening times of life. Traveling has been banned. No more buying and selling. Our streets empty as the country is in total lockdown. In the name of trying to make the world and the country a better place for you and me. Sleepless nights for Dr. Ruth Acheng, trying to end the species from spreading in Uganda. Patriotism has taken toll as you find a young boy of 6 years knowing the genesis of the deadly species of the virus and educating the masses how to prevent it. Everyone being ambassador for breaking the chain of transmission with the global motto, stay home, stay safe. That's the poem I've written. To add on it, I'm also the author of The Forceful Arrivals, the collection of emotionally packed and brilliantly laid literary masterpiece of the wars, the LRA wars that transpired here in northern Uganda. Love you to support me when the time for launching the book comes, as we reflect on the 20 years of our struggle towards peace. May the Almighty God bless you abundantly. Stay home, stay safe.